the new 2020 Ford F-150 STX Truck Super Crew cab. The color is iconic silver metallic. Some features include daytime running lights, locking removable tailgate, dynamic hitch assist, and a rear view camera, as well as hill start assist. And to help you feel safe and secure, it's equipped with SOS post-crash alert system and a tire pressure monitor system. Inside of the new 2020 Ford F-150 STX Truck Super Crew cab, the color is medium earth gray. Some features include 60/40 rear bench, AC manual climate control, and an outside temperature display. Please come on down to Malloy Ford here in Alexandria, Virginia, and make it Malloy. Thank you.